Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sonia Smith, and I just want to thank you all for your time. I do want to share with you each a little bit about my own life experience. I was a teen mom, and I want to share with you the struggles not only of being a teen mom, but the success of not being a statistic, and staying pretty much like in the system and so forth. What I mean by that is that when I had my children, I was still in high school. I didn't, thought I had it all figured out, but I didn't have it all figured out. I had to depend a lot on, assistance from my family, assistance from the government, financial aid, things like that actually helped me to meet the immediate financial needs of my family. But I can tell you that I made a decision that, I'm not going to remain a statistic. I'm not going to be a high school dropout. I'm not going to live on welfare all my life. I'm going to get ahead for my family. And so, and again, those things serve their purpose. There's nothing wrong, with receiving assistance and being on, welfare and things like that. But the purpose of that is just to help us to get on our feet and then move forward. And so I just finished high school. I did have my children early, but I decided I was going to finish high school, so I went to an alternative high school. I'm very grateful and thankful for those programs that are out there that allow students to continue their education. And shortly after that, I went to college, and I said I'm going to provide for my family, and again, very, very grateful that I did have support. My mom really helped me a lot. I'm very grateful for her. And so I initially went to TSTC. This was way back when. It's been a while, many years ago. And, I can tell you that there was a lot of challenges with going to school, supporting my family, getting ahead in life. But, I went through it, I struggled, and I accomplished my goals. And that was to get a degree. I did, and like I said, it didn't happen overnight, but I just want to encourage many, mothers, whether you're, you're a teen mom or whether you're a single mom, a single dad, it doesn't matter, that you can continue to be successful. Sometimes, life has many roadblocks or challenges that come our ways, but we have to make a determination that we're not going to allow our circumstances define, who we are, that we can be overcomers and we can be very successful in what we set our minds to do. And so I did, like I said, I eventually went to school. I kind of tried different fields of study, and in the end, I ended up getting a degree in banking and finance, and a couple of certificates in financing. And currently, I'm still attending school, getting a general business degree, a bachelor's degree. So the lesson learned that I want you guys to learn, that I learned from my own life, is that don't stay stuck where you are. I mean, like I said, not only was I successful in reaching my goals, and I'm still working on this, but my children, I invested and encouraged them, and they see that. They see the success that I was able to carry out. And, I have my son who is in the military. He's serving this country. Very, 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 a talented, a smart young man. Again, he saw the drive in his mom, and he's like, I can do things too at a young age. What I mean by young age, I mean like going to school, reaching your goals, and things like that. And my daughter, she's very successful. She's gone to a state championship powerlifting. She's very academic, very smart. And so, again, those things are to show. I mean, I see that, and those are just, to me, examples of what can result from a parent who decides that they're going to do all they can to be a testimony, to be an example to their children. So I just want to encourage you guys, don't give up on your dreams and your hopes. They're out, you can reach those goals. And I just want to thank you for your time.